Oh, you got one, eh?
Yeah.
All right, keep bringing it in.
Sounds like
Could be a good one. Well, bring them in. Haul them in there. Now haul them in. Did you get him? Whoa, he's going. Oh, did you get him caught in the rocks? Oh, there you go. All right. Yay! Nice job.
Let's eat this guy.
Okay. All right, give me a thumbs up. Good job.